You have no prior knowledge of watercolor and are yet interested in doing amazing watercolor paintings? If so, this course is yours. The course is designed carefully for those who have no or just basic knowledge of watercolor painting and are willing to have amazing simple watercolor paintings. The course focus is on floral paintings, so mainly you will see floral subjects like flowers. Some of them are real, some of them are stylized, and the colors are really simple. So you don't need any prior knowledge of colors, techniques, and also painting. I prepared the line art and also quality scan of the final image and final result. This way you can simply copy the drawing on your piece of paper and also compare your final result with mine. Also, I have included every single brush stroke so that you can easily follow up the process. Techniques that I've used are repeated throughout the course, and this is meant to be part of a bigger series of watercolor paintings so that you can ensure that after a while you would be a master in all those techniques. Although mastering the techniques takes time, I've tried to keep everything very simple. I've tried to repeat the techniques in almost every lesson, and also I have repeated those techniques using different materials including colored inks and the usual watercolors. I'm pretty sure that after a while repeating those lessons, you will feel having enough confidence to do any other subject. Each lesson is a short, few-minute lesson and is designed carefully to help you reach a really beautiful result with no prior experience. I myself do these paintings to give them as gift to my friends or family members. Some of them also are hanged on my house walls. So prepare yourself for this amazing journey and join me in this watercolor painting course, and I hope you enjoy this lesson as I did.